Okay, does Igbo people, I mean, like people when you go out, a lot of people want to say or uh, make some assertions that Igbo people are land grabbers. They want to take your land. They want to take over. Is there anything like that?
No, there is nothing like that. Unless you want to sell your land to people, they will buy it. They don't take it by force.
Okay, they buy.
They buy it. Even see that people are still selling our land to Igbo. Some of them build here, build house. So they don't do by force.
Hello, my people. I welcome you back to my channel, Namen TV. And I'm your boy, Chukwemeka, aka XUOPE, the extra talented young progressive entrepreneur, the RAB, refinable boy, SBGC, street boy gone classy. Well, this is the Unify Igbos now. And I'm doing this under the platform of Namen TV and also with a mantle from Ohaneze Youth Council as the media director. I am here in Essien, Udim local government area of Akwa Ibom State to meet and interact with our brothers, the Anang people. Because to unify the Igbos, we must also strengthen our unity, our brotherhood with our neighbors. The Anang, the Ibibios, the Efik, the Orons, the Ogonis, the Gojas, and the rest of it. The Calabaris also. So join me as I continue to go around preaching the message of love and hope in unifying the Igbos. You can support the program by donation. You can support us by sharing. You can support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, Namen TV. If you are in a foreign land, there is a GoFundMe account where you can also support. Thank you and God bless. All right, I welcome you all, my people. It's your boy again, Chukwemeka. I am repping Namen TV and also the media director of Ohaneze Youth Council. Right here today, I am with a prestigious village head here in Essien Udim. Okay, Essien Udim, local government area of Akwa Ibom State.
Yes.
All right, okay, let me give you the privilege of introducing yourself. Please tell us your name and also where we are today.
I'm Obong Kingsley Umoh, the village head of Ikot. So I welcome you. So you are welcome.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I feel welcomed already. Because when I got here, the people, I mean, the people are really excited. They are welcoming and they assisted me in getting here. So I feel welcomed.
Thank you so much.
All right. I mean, the hospitality, is it what, I mean, the people of this place, they are known for hospitality, isn't it?
The people of this place, they were known to, they welcome people. We don't know, in those days, they say these people have been eating people, killing people. But no, nothing like that now.
So, yes, because when I was coming, I mean, when I was asking people, they told me that when I told them that I'm coming to this part of Akwa Ibom, they say, Anang people, they used to eat people, they used to kill somebody and eat the person. I said, how would any, but I will come and find out. If Anang people attack me and eat me, I know that Anang people have attacked me and eat my meat. So how does that happen? I mean, was there a time Anang people ate somebody?
That is in these days. Okay. Ordinary, if you steal or do anything, killing people, they know, discover you are such a person. So Anang people, we, in those days, they will find way to eliminate you. Don't you want that sort of thing to continue?
Okay, they will eliminate the person. Okay, that is good. All right, Obong, I thank you again for giving us this opportunity to interact with you. In truth, Part of the things that brought us here, growing up down to this stage now, we were told a lot of things, and it's in history, and also in part of the report by Willings Commission that Anang people, Ibibio people, Efik, are, has a lot of ties and are also allies to the Igbo people. Tell us about Anang people and their relationship with the Igbo people.
We are, you know, myself and some of our people here, they do like Igbos. Some of us, when we marry them, they are very good with us. Because if you go around, you see a lot of them selling with their people. So to me, in particular, I like Igbo people.
Okay, from what time this relationship? I think, like I am meant to understand, it has grown from time immemorial down to this time. So, how the intermarriages of the Anang people and the Igbo people? How has it been, and how has it grown to this age?
Yeah, people have been married till now. And people still marrying Igbo people. Because some of them, they are so good. They look nice. And they behave very fine. So our people still love them. They like our people also. So what our people hate is stealing. Igbo don't steal. They will steal, they will work with you. Whether you fool money with this car, this thing, they won't touch it. This is why we like Igbo. We love them very well.
Okay, does Igbo people? I mean, like people when you go out, a lot of people want to say or uh, make some assertions that Igbo people are land grabbers. They want to take your land. They want to take over. Is there anything like that?
No, there is nothing like that. Unless you want to sell your land to Igbo, they will buy it. They don't take it by force.
Okay, they buy.
They buy it. Even see that people are still selling our land to Igbo. Some of them build here, build house. So they don't do by force.
Okay, that is very good. So now, a lot of youths are growing up now, and there are some unanswered questions as regards to the relationship of the Anang people and Igbo people. How do you think that we can continue strengthening this relationship between our people? Hence, since when you ask an Igbo man, he will say Anang people are welcoming, that when they come here, you welcome them. When they engage in their businesses and they want to settle, you offer them your women as wife, and also if they want to build, you offer them land, and they buy and they build, and you have been coexisting with these people for a very long time. What is your advice to the young people who are growing up now, so that they will know that yes, there is a very strong ties between the Anang people and the Igbo people?
Our advice our youth to continue to unite with our people, because in those days our people, they were afraid of some of our Igbos. But now I will advise them to continue with that relationship with Igbos, that they should not be afraid of Igbos. They should continue marrying Igbo as before, not to run away. Unless what we people had is those thieves stealing. We don't like why they say they kill. They don't like Igbo. Those young boys nowadays, they come to steal. So, but they advise them not to do such again. They should unite with the young guy as before.
Okay, okay. Recently, there was an election, and there was a lot of ethnic profiling people calling. I mean, over there, they were uh, 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 they were preaching hate and also calling for some people not to vote. That some people will not vote in a particular place. That they are Igbo. That they are under doing that. They did not differentiate the Akwa Ibom man or the Ibibio man or the Oron man or the Ogoni man or Ikwere or you understand? They did not differentiate this. They just say Igbo people, and you cannot differentiate Anang man when looking at without the language. When you look at Anang, this person is Anang, this person is Igbo. You cannot differentiate it. Yes. What do you think about this?
This true. Right from beginning, we are just like that, like Igbo. They call Anang Igbo sometimes because they can't differentiate our people. We behave like Igbo. Some Igbo behave like Anang. So that is why I say that relationship should continue to unite with our people. It's good.
Okay, Obong, I'm really overwhelmed by your encouraging words. I will take it home, and I know that our viewers who are watching from all over the world will understand and also help in propagating the message of unity among the Igbo and her neighbors, the Anang, the Ibibio, the Oron, the Efik, and every other nationalities. And we are hoping that something positive will happen. In terms of working hard, Anang people works very hard, just like the Igbo people. And they don't envy any people. They don't envy. Like the Igbo people, they don't envy. Yeah, this man is working hard. Anang people does not envy. Where did that come from?
So far, our people relate with Igbo. We like them there. We take them like our brothers and sisters because they work very hard. They don't steal. They don't steal. That is why we like Igbo. If you see any Igbo man who steal, he's not from a good place. That is why we like some of the people.
Okay, the question I want to ask you now is, what are the cultures? Because the other time you said that some of the traditions of the Igbo people and the Anang people one resemble. What are those cultures? Can you tell us?
Yes. For example, our people, the way they marry, Igbo people do marry like that. And how we farm, Igbo people used to farm with us the same thing. That's why I like say Igbo almost do the same thing with our people.
How? Just explain. Give us one or two hints about that.
Okay, for example, farming. Our people farm like Igbo. Too. They like schooling like our people.
So, in terms of marriage, what are the marital rights when person go do? Then, if okay, like me now, I say I want marry Anang person for year, waiting I go feed do. From start to ending, then you go be say I don't de certified to marry Ananga.
Okay, our people believe in drink. If you want to marry a person from Anang, they tell you to bring drink. That is why we say we do the same thing with Igbo. Igbo want to marry, they will give you, they will offer you, they like, make you drink.
Where do you see the Anang man and the Igbo man in the next 20, 50 years?
As far as like they we interact, in those days, they didn't do like that, but now we have started a relationship with the Igbo people. So I believe this relationship will continue.
Wow, Obong, I thank you so much. I thank you for today. I thank you. I thank my stars for bringing me to your palace here. So introduce yourself again to the people.
Okay, I'm in the Obong Kingsley Umoh, so the village church of Ikot Ibak.
Wow. Yes, my people, we are here in the palace of the village head of Avariko Ibak in Essien Udim, local government area of Akwa Ibom State. I feel at home. I mean, I feel at home. And I really thank the people for welcoming me and giving me all the necessary assistance to produce this great interview. And I believe you watching over there will also encourage the relationship between the Anang people and the Igbo people. Thank you and God bless.